your own channel that is Subjectsaholic guys, and today we are going to start our grammar topic, that is sentences. Okay, so today we are going to understand what a sentence is all about and the different types of sentences, okay, based on their purposes. Okay, let's start. First, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. So basically what a sentence is, it's a group of words. Okay, a group of words. A sentence basically have subject, verb, and it should be meaningful, nothing else. A sentence should be subject, verb, and it should be meaningful. Okay, now let's talk about its different types. First one is declarative sentence. Declarative sentence, like, it's make a statement or give information to us. Okay, general information it provide to us, like it always ends with full stop. And okay, an example here is, she likes reading books. She likes reading books. The sun rises in the east. This is also, a fact, or whatever you are sharing which is genuine, that is considered as declarative sentence. That is considered as declarative sentence. Now let's talk about another type of sentence, that is interrogative one, which is very easy because it always end with question mark and it always asks you a question. Whenever you want to ask any question to someone, you can use interrogative type. All right, now here is the example. Do you like reading books? Does she walk डेली? डज शी वॉक्स डेली? क्या वह डेली वॉक करती है? ठीक है, हियर यू कैन सी इट ऑलवेज सेंड्स विद क्वेश्चन मार्क एंड most probably helping verb will come first, or WH words. Okay, now let's talk about its third type, that is your imperative sentence, which is also very easy one. It always gives you command, and let me tell you, command it always end with exclamatory mark, so you don't have to confused. I will tell you till the end how can you differentiate between imperative sentence or exclamatory sentence, because both ends with exclamatory mark. Okay, so imperative sentence always, whenever you want to give commands or you want to request someone for something, if you want to give someone advice, instruction, even direction, if you want to give someone, this all things comes under imperative sentences. Okay, it's always ends with full stop. It can be end with most of the these terms ends with full stop, but if we talk about command particularly, it always ends with exclamatory mark. Okay, like shut up. Okay, do your work now. This is all commands which always end with exclamatory mark. And how can we differentiate it? As I already told you that we will understand it till the end. Okay, and it's always here you can see the example, please close the door. Here it is a request and we end it with full stop. All right, now last sentence, that is exclamatory sentence. Whenever you are, speak loudly and with strange feelings, with excitement or surprise, at that time we use our exclamatory sentences. Okay, it expresses strong feelings like happiness, okay, surprise, or anger, ठीक है, or sadness. So it always ends with exclamation mark, as I already told you. And for an example, what a beautiful day. ठीक है, what a beautiful day, what a ugly girl she is, or what a bad day. These all are the examples of our exclamatory sentences. Okay, now we have understood all these types. Let's quick revision of it. Okay, let's do quick revision of it. Here is the exercise. What we have to do is we have to identify the type of sentences. Read each sentence and we have to write either it is declarative, imperative, or exclamatory. Let's read first. The sun rises in the east. Now if you get the answers, you can comment down as well. The sun rises in the east, it talking about general information, it's talking about fact, general fact, so it's nothing but, yes, it's nothing but declarative, or we also said it as assertive. Okay, it is assertive as well. We can say declarative or assertive. If we talk about second one, where are you going? So here we can see it starts from WH family and ends with question mark. So it is interrogative example. It is interrogative example. Okay. Now please, here we can see it's a request. Okay. So please help me with my homework. It is again not interrogative but imperative. What a wonderful surprise. Again it starts from WH and it's end with exclamatory mark. Now what a wonderful surprise. It's our exclamatory, but you can say कि it can be imperative as well. But listen, now I will differentiate between it. Whatever their feeling include, if there is any feeling, strong feeling, then you have to mark it as exclamatory always. But if there is any command like stop doing your work, here you can see there is no feelings at all, right? There is no feelings at all, so we don't have to write it exclamatory. Okay, we have to write it as imperative, otherwise it is exclamatory mark. Okay, exclamation sentence. She is my best friend. It is also general information someone is giving. Okay, so it's our nothing but assertive sentence, or we can say declarative one. Okay, both are same. Stop making noise. Now you have to mark it. You have to comment down stop making noise, which type of sentence it is. Okay, stop making noise. You have to clarify here in the comment box below which type of sentence it is. Okay, and let's meet on another video, and keep watching. Thank you so much. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share. Okay, thank you.